Here is how to hide apps on your OnePlus phone. So let's get started. The first step is to come to the app that you want to hide. So let's say I want to hide Instagram, that's here. Then I long click on it, click on more features, and you'll see this option, app lock. Select it. And here we have two options, to lock the app or hide it. So select hide. You'll have to put your password once. And now we have to select at least one of these options. So these are access methods, which is once this app is hidden, how can we access this? So at least one method must be enabled, and I'll show you both of these now. The first one is access code. So just click on it, and here they've said we have to set an access code in settings. So click on settings, and now we have to set a code that starts and ends with a hash, and it has to have 1 to 16 digits in between. So now I'll just put a code hash 000 hash, and then click on done. And now it's done. All we have to do is go to our phone app, and the normal way that you call someone, you just have to put this code that starts and ends with a hash, and then it will show you your hidden app. So this was one method, and the second method is having a folder on your home screen. So if I enable this, then click on customize, this is what the folder will look like and the name of the folder. And you can change both of these if you don't want to make it suspicious. So if you want to edit the icon, just click on this and you can change it. And if you want to change the app name, you can do that as well. For now, I'll click on save. Now just click on done. As you can see, Instagram has been removed from here since it's hidden. And now let's try both methods of accessing Instagram. So as you can see, this folder has already come with this icon and the name since we didn't change it. So if I click on it, I'll have to put my password, and here all the hidden apps have come, and now I can access Instagram. So this was one method, and the second method is using the phone app. So now I'll go there, I'll go to the keypad, then I'll just type in the code. And as you can see, it directly took me to my hidden apps. And again, I can just open Instagram like this. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.